So I just received this beautiful gift from Delicious Beverage. Can't wait to see what's inside, so I'm gonna open that up for y'all. We're gonna get into that. There you go. It's cool, man. So we got sweet tea. Can't go wrong with that. And then we got the lemonade mix, and then they got different flavors that you can mix it with. So we got Caribbean flavor, and then we got cucumber flavor, peach flavor, spicy pineapple. Basically, what they give you is some sweet tea mix. Then you put however much you want in there. And then they got some lemonade too. You could blend those, and then they also got different flavors that you could choose from. So basically, the good people with Delicious Beverage, they give you this sweet tea powder. I mean, you can add as much as you want in there, just how you like it, you know. Then they got lemonade, so you can blend those. Blend some, and then you got different flavors to choose from right here. So that's a beautiful thing. And yeah, I can't wait to try it, man. It look good. Thank you so much to Delicious Beverage. And so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix some of this sweet tea with the lemonade, and what flavor I'm gonna go for? I'm gonna go with the Caribbean. I think that's more my style. That's what I'm gonna try. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. 1, smell it. 2. I'm gonna add water. No matter what kind of water you use. I'm gonna use alkaline for this. So you stir that up.
Where we need, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you got a puddle on the bottom.
It's an easy stir, so after that, I'm gonna go with my flavor, Caribbean. My flavor of choice, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I'm freehanded, but forgive me. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Now it's finally time to do the taste test. Here we go. Okay. It's quite delicious. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is good, man. Ooh, 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 ooh. Lord. Yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. Baby, so many things I wanna do, yeah. See, I know you're into it. I just wanna love you down. You must start to cry anytime you come around. There we have it. I think it's a beautiful setup. I like the way it's packaged. I like the way it's put together. It's a variety of different flavors. You got the sweet tea. You got the lemonade. You can't go wrong with that. Even if you just do that alone, I think it's delicious. I can't wait to try the other flavors. The Caribbean is actually pretty delicious, and I'm just happy to get this beautiful gift, man. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you. And yeah, make sure y'all become a part of this movement, because it's definitely something serious, man.